You're going to need a time machine. No time machine means no way to go back and check out all these claims, and thus there's no way to establish some percentage and say, well, if it meets this, then it's reliable. So we can't use percentages as a way of measuring reliability. We have to do something else.
So this was a career-ending debate for Dr. Bart Ehrman because his whole platform consists in this bottomless skepticism, which means pointing at a verse or a word in Scripture and saying, how can you be absolutely certain that that happened 2,000 years ago? Which honestly just isn't scientific, because as Jimmy Akin points out, that would require a time machine for us to provide that kind of certainty. It would also mean throwing out every single document over 100 years old as no longer historically reliable because there would have been no one to have experienced it. On the other hand, Jimmy Akin proposes in this debate that we should determine a document historically reliable if we can verify many of its major claims, intermediate claims, and lesser claims, and then he takes Bart Ehrman's own works, his own scholarship, to prove that we can verify many of the major, intermediate, and lesser claims in the Gospels. So I would recommend watching this debate in its entirety. Jimmy Akin not only vindicates conclusively the historicity of the Gospels, but he also defends the possibility of doing historical inquiry at all.